Cash App allows you to receive direct deposits like paychecks and government benefits directly into your account. This eliminates the need for a traditional bank. The direct deposit form is what you give your employer or payer with your Cash App account details so they can pay you electronically. Cash App users act as their own bank by using the app's virtual account details. As of November 2025, you can find your routing number, which is always 00000000, and your unique account number within the app to set up direct deposits. First, get the direct deposit form from your employer or payer. This is often a PDF file or an online portal they provide. To get your Cash App details, open the Cash App on your phone, navigate to Settings, then Direct Deposit. Copy the routing number, which is always 00000000, and your unique account number. On the form, enter your routing number as 00000000, your unique account number, and select Checking as the account type. Submit the completed form to your employer or payer through email, online upload, or mail. Cash App will confirm the setup via app notifications within 1 to 3 business days. Always enable two-factor authentication in Cash App for enhanced security to protect your account.